Okay, guys, ever wanted a fun illustrated newsletter section with wave effects and social bubbles all built in? Well, this section brings a playful, premium touch to your homepage. Today, we're adding this collection section to your store. So, let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the heading. There's a layout style option with 3 different layouts to choose from. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, you can adjust the page width too. Now let's move on to the newsletter settings. Add a heading, and in the Input Placeholder field, add something like an email placeholder. In the Button Label field, add your button text, and right below that, you can also add a success message. Now let's get into the illustration and bubble settings. Add an image here. I'm just adding a random one to show you how it works, but you should add something that matches your own collection. In the bubble text field, add whatever text you'd like and toggle on Show Social Icons in Bubbles. Below that, you'll find the wave settings. Show wave edge, wave color, wave height, and wave height for mobile, all fully customizable based on your own preference. Next up is heading typography. Toggle on Use Custom Font, and you'll be able to adjust the font family, font size for mobile, and line height. Then in the Colors section, you can update the background color and text color too. In the bottom bar, add your copyright text, and right below that, you can adjust the section spacing as well. Now let's move on to the main settings. In the Link column, add your menu pages. I already have a column here, but you'll create your own column and add pages to it. Go through this step by step and add each column one by one. I set all of these randomly just to show you how it works, but you can customize everything based on your own store. Once you're happy with everything, just hit Save, and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.